Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Maritza Duran and today I want to share with you 7 tips and best practices for launching a successful startup dental office. The first tip is you want to develop yourself. By developing yourself, I mean read books, listen to audiobooks, get a mentor, someone to help you. I have 2 real good books that I recommend that are really helpful for entrepreneurs and people that are in sales. And you may think you're not in sales, but yes, you will realize that you are. And there's some real good strategies and tactics that you need to implement once you go out there and you're a business owner. I recommend that you read The Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki and also The Psychology of Selling by Brian Tracy. 2 really good reads. The second thing you want to do is you want to develop your team. You want to invest in their education. You want to set a stage for them to grow. And as a result of their growth, they're going to be returning back to you all of the skills that they're developing and that they're learning and make you successful. You want to make sure that you give them tips and ideas. I'm actually working on a course precisely for the startup dentist who wants to have consistency and someone really inspire their team and walk them through the operational aspect of everything that needs to happen from the minute they need to enter your information in the system to the insurances and how to really understand everything that is going to be happening from an early stage in the practice so that you can avoid problems in the future. A lot of people have very or no experience working in a startup practice, and you want to make sure you give them tools and you give them ideas. And this is something that is going to help you, for the most part, be able to concentrate on hiring for love and not for lack of skills. If you have a problem with understanding insurances and operational systems in a dental practice, then this is something that will be really useful for you and for your team, since it's going to stay with you long term. The third thing you want to do is you want to create a tribe of patients. You want patients to walk into your practice and really create rapport in the community. Make sure that everyone is talking about you, that you are the person that they're looking forward to meeting. And once they come into the office, create an atmosphere and an experience for the patient where they walk out of your office thinking and promoting your office. Make it the best experience of their lives once they walk in there. Love your patients because they are going to be making you successful. The fourth thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you start implementing checklists and you create systems in place. McDonald's, for instance, anyone can make a better burger than McDonald's, but can you create a better system than McDonald's? The answer is no. You want to make sure that you are creating scripts, that you are implementing and putting things together in your practice to help you avoid problems in the future, to have consistency, put policies and procedures in place to avoid problems with your team. The fifth thing that you want to consider is you want to analyze and revise your strategies that you're working with. You want to revisit every task that you're doing for the practice, making sure that it's worked. You want to make sure that you are revising all the strategies and implementations that you're putting in place. Do periodic performance evaluation on your team to make sure that they're on top of the game. Make sure that you're revising your marketing. Make sure that you're revising your customer service. Now, the sixth thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you stay focused. Many people are going to be selling you. You're going to have influx of information coming from all angles. And as a new business owner, it's just very difficult to stay focused. I am encouraging you today to just disconnect from everything and concentrate on the things that I am actually telling you today to focus on. It doesn't really matter how technological your office is. It doesn't really make a difference how expensive your chair is or how nice you chandelier. Yes, these are all accessories, but really what's going to make or break your practice is your development as an individual and as a leader, the information and the education and the tools that you give to your team, and the rapport that you create in the community, the systems that you put in place. Staying focused is very, very important. Please do that. The 7th tip for best practices and to launch a successful office is having fun. You've made it this far. You owe it to yourself to give yourself a pat on the shoulder because you are successful already. Please have fun. You're going to have situations where you need to improvise things. The water is going to shut down in the building. Your light is going to break. So many things are going to happen, but you just have to always have the attitude of having fun and being receptive to the energy, because energy is contagious. And you're the nucleus of the office, and you owe it to yourself to emanate good vibes and good energy, because everyone is going to be receptive to that, and that is really going to pay off and really help you become more and more successful. Thank you for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please take action today to be successful tomorrow. My name is Maritza Duran, and I'm here to teach you the best practices of running a successful and efficient dental practice. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you in a later video.